So this is the second lesson for top making. Okay, so let me just show you what you're making right here. Okay, same concept as the first spinning top. This is the two primary colors. When you spin it, the color mixes. Now if you are tired of using the primary colors and say, okay, Mrs. Lee, we got it. Okay, go ahead and use a different color. It really does not matter. Okay, they're all fun. Okay, so let me show you what you will need. Okay, the best paper that you can use is the origami paper, but you don't have to use the origami paper if you don't have it. No worries. Okay, you can just use the Xerox paper, copy paper. I showed you how to cut the square out of it. Just fold it like that, match one edge like that, and then you measure from this tip 6 inches. Okay, it's 6 inches long, and then draw. This angle is 90 degrees, and then draw a line. Okay, you will need a ruler for that, and go ahead and cut along that line and get rid of the extra, and you will have the paper ready. That's the same size as the origami paper. Okay, you can use that too. And you can, if you use a white paper, you can also color it with the color you want later. Okay. Okay, so it's either origami paper, copy paper, and your last option would be a construction paper. If your family has construction paper stored somewhere, and you don't start with square origami paper size, because the construction paper is thick. You cut it smaller. Okay, so this is 2 inches. This is 6 inches. So this is the 1/3 of the origami paper size. Okay, 2 inches, 6 inches. Ratio is 1 to 3. Okay. Okay. And then you will need 2 colors. Okay. With the origami paper, you will need 2 colors. Okay. And if you're using a white paper, you will need 2 pieces of these. Okay. Well, oh, and also you will need an ice pick or something to poke a hole with, and a tiny toothpick. Okay. Okay, go ahead and go get what you will need and meet me back here. All right. Okay. Now, let me show you. Oh, if you are going to start with 2-color construction paper, you don't have to do anything right at first. But if you are starting with the origami paper or the white color, white copy paper, then you will have to fold this into 3 sections. Do you know how to fold the paper into 3 sections? Okay, let me show you. You make letter S using the edge of the paper, like a Superman logo. Can you see the S? Okay. And then press the turned edge, and you might have to adjust it a little here and a little there to make it into exact 3. Here we go. Now it's exact 3. And then you just press that and go ahead and fold it into third, like this. There you go. Wow, it's like a magic. Okay, now you do the same thing with the other color. Okay, so you need 2 of these. If you're using a white paper, go ahead and do the same thing, S shape, fold it into 3 sections and make 2 sticks like this. All right, now I'm going to switch with the construction paper. It makes it easier for you to see. Okay, now you take 1 strip and then place it sideways and then fold this bottom right corner up like that. Okay, and then fold the left top corner down like that. Okay, if you're using the origami paper, it does not matter which direction that you're going to use. Okay, just place it and do the same thing. Do the same thing. All right, now you take the second paper and you repeat the same process. The bottom right corner up, left top corner down. Okay, so you have 2 identical, different colors, but identical shape. Okay, now we will put one on top of the other. When you put it, don't go like this. It has to show the same side. Okay, all right. Now we're going to try to combine this. Now we're going to start with the right side right here. You just fold it up against the opposite color, the different color. Okay, and you do the same thing with the top. Okay, and then you guessed it, you just keep doing the same thing. Okay, the last one though, last one is a little bit trickier. So you fold it and you put the tip, this tip, inside this pocket right here. You see that? Right there. Put it inside, fold it in, and there it is. Okay. Now, when that's done, you take an ice pick or something sharp and poke a hole, just a tiny hole. Don't make it too big, just poke it just a little bit. Okay, and put the toothpick through the center hole. And it has to be kind of tight. If it's loose, it's not going to spin too well. Okay, just put it about that much. Okay, and there you go. There's your top. All right, that wasn't too hard, was it? Okay, now you don't have to do this, but I'm going to show you another one. See this top right here? Okay. It's much harder to make this kind, but this is a really cute one, and this spins really, really well. And but the problem with this is that it is very hard to make. And you do need an origami paper to make this. I'm not going to show you how to make this time, but if you're interested in, when you come back to school next school year, just grab me. I'll teach you how to make this. Or if enough people say that you guys want to learn how to make this, I might consider making a video of this. So just tell your teacher if you're desperate to make this kind, I will consider. All right. Okay, well, have fun. And so this is the end of this week's lesson, and I will see you next week.